Hi, Crafty Angels! Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. And welcome back to your weekly devotional number 42. There's still plenty to come, but it's getting there. Okay? And it's the shape of your heart. What is the shape of your heart? Seriously, if you were to describe your heart, what would it look like? About to pop or deflate? I'm going to move this a little bit closer to me because I'm reaching across my desk. Strong and vital or crushed and weak? Would there be a hole or have cracks? No matter what shape or condition you think it's in, as a child of the King, you have access to the fullness, rough edge, and to heal every cut and bruise. When you live with your heart shaped by God, or for God, He gives healing, hope and life. Transform the shape of any heart into one of absolute beauty. Father, you are healer of all wounds, life giver to the lost, and Savior of all humanity. Thank you for your healing grace and hope, a hope-filled heart. I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't done so already, hit that big red subscribe button and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I go live, when I do a premiere, or when I post new content. Please be kind, be blessed, be positive. Stay safe, and I will see you all next week for week 43 for the weekly devotional. Bye-bye for now.